Good morning, class 2. Say good morning, ma'am. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Take care of yourself and be safe. So, this is your maths period. Take out your book, Mathematics in Real Life, and take out your notebook as well. Take out your pencil, eraser, and some sketch colors for heading. Your pencil should be sharp and pointed. Very good. Now, open your book. We have just finished the activity number 5. Now, we have to do activity number 6. First, put today's date in your book. 11th of May 2021. Now put classwork as well. Now take out your notebook. Put today's date 11th of May 2021. Write down the classwork. Now with the help of sketch pen, write down the heading Activity 6. Activity 6. Neat and clean. Now write down the heading with the another sketch color. Ordering of numbers. Ordering of numbers. Very nice. Now write down question number 1. What comes before? What comes just before? Very good. Like this. Now write down the question. Put H, T, O and then leave a blank and then write down H, T, O, which means ones, tens, 100. Write down ones, tens and 100. First, you have to note down the question. Note down the question in your notebook. Very nice. Like this. Now underline this side. Like this. Very good. Now our question number first is, what comes just before? Which means पहले. Before का मतलब क्या होता है? पहले. What comes before? Before means पहले क्या आएगा? So our question is 341. 341 से पहले क्या आता है? 340. 340. As we know the reverse counting, before का मतलब क्या होता है? पहले क्या आएगा? Before का मतलब क्या होगा? पहले. Which means 341 से पहले क्या आएगा? 340. Now 517. 517 से पहले क्या आता है? 517 से पहले क्या आता है? 16 16. So क्या आएगा 516. Very good. Now next question is 625. 625. Now 625 से पहले क्या आता है चिल्ड्रन? 624, क्योंकि 4 के बाद 5 आता है. 624. Very good. Now next 999. 999 से पहले क्या आता है? 998. Write down 998. Very good. Now next question 285. 285 से पहले क्या आता है? 284. 284. Now next is 400. Next is 400. So 400 से पहले क्या आता है? 399. 399. क्या आता है? 399. Now next question is 729. What comes before 729? 700 2828. 700 2828. Very good. Now next is 166. 166. So what comes before 166? 165. 165. Now you have to fill the same in your book as well. Okay, this book work is your homework. We are doing in your notebook, but you have to do this work in your book as well. Now come to next. Write down next question. What comes in between? Question number 2. Write down what comes in between. What is the meaning of between? The meaning of between is बीच में. Meaning क्या होता है? What comes between का मतलब होता है बीच में. First write down H T O, then leave one line, then write down H T O, then leave one line, then write down H T O. Ones, tens, 100. Again, ones, tens, 100. Now write down the question. 2, 3, 7. Now blank. 2, 3, 9. You have to put digits. Tens, tens के नीचे, ones, ones के नीचे, tens, tens के नीचे, and 100, 100 के नीचे. Now write down the questions in your notebook. Very good. Neat and clean. लाइन से टच करके लिखेंगे. Okay. Very good. सब लाइन से टच करके लिखेंगे. Very nice. Now what comes between? Between means बीच में. इन दोनों के बीच में क्या आएगा? इन दोनों के बीच में क्या आएगा? This is 237 and this is 239. 237 के बाद क्या आता है? 238 and then आता है 239. Very good. Now next 629. What comes after 629 and what comes before 631? इसके बाद क्या आएगा और इसके पहले क्या आएगा, विच मीन्स इन दोनों के बीच में क्या आएगा, 600 30 30 630. Very good. Now next 468 and 470. Again 468 के बाद क्या आएगा and 470 से पहले क्या आएगा, 468 के बाद क्या आता है, 9 469. Very good. Now 105. What comes after 105 and what comes before 107? Which means इन दोनों के बीच में क्या आएगा, 106. 106. Now next question, 399. What comes after 399 and what comes before 401? 399 के बाद क्या आता है, 400 400. Very good. Now next question, 897. 897. Now what comes after 897 and what comes before 899? 898. 898. Very good. Same, your homework is you have to complete this work in your book. Don't forget to label 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this. Okay children. Now next question. Next question is, put the heading, question number 3. What comes after? After meaning, after का meaning होता है बाद में, which means इस number के बाद क्या आएगा. First write down 100 tens ones, then leave one line, 100 tens ones, like this. Now 1 6 3 0 2 209 479 4799 fifth 666 6358. Now what is the meaning of after? After means बाद में. इस नंबर के एक बाद कौन सा नंबर आएगा, इस नंबर के बाद कौन सा नंबर आएगा. This number is 630. 630. What comes after 630? 630 के बाद क्या आता है, 631. 631. Very good. Write down. Now next question, 209. What comes after 209? 209 के बाद क्या आता है? Just think. 209 के बाद क्या आता है? 1010, which means 210. Very good. Now next question, 479. 479. What comes after 479? 479 के बाद क्या आता है? 80 80. 480. Very good. Now next question is 799. 799. What comes after 799? Tell me. 800 800. 800 800. Now next question, 666. 666. Now what comes after 666? 666. 7. 667. Now next, 358. 358. Now what comes after 358? 300, 5, 9, 59. 5, 9, 59. So children, what we have learned today? What comes just before, what comes in between, and what comes after. Before का मतलब पहले. Before का मतलब पहले. इस नंबर से पहले कौन सा नंबर आएगा. And what comes between? Between का मीनिंग क्या होता है? इन दोनों नंबर के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आएगा. And last but not least, what comes after? What comes after means इस नंबर के बाद कौन सा नंबर आएगा. So today we have learned about what comes just before, what comes in between, and what comes after. So your homework is you have to fill the same in your book with the help of pencil, sharpened pencil. Okay, you have to fill the same work in your book. So class, this is all done for today. Take care of yourself, stay healthy and stay safe.